Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook apple pie in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the apple pie recipe. You can get this recipe from NPC Massimo. And then next, just go to your stove, tap on it, and then just tap on the apple pie recipe, this one. And then before cooking, just make sure all ingredients are complete. Like you must have a apple and then wheat. You can get this from the gardening hobby. And then next you need uh you need eggs and then butter. You can buy both from NPC Massimo. And then once everything is ready, just simply tap on start cooking. Like this, you already cooked the apple pie. If this is your first time successfully cooking it, special animations will usually appear showing you unlock the apple pie recipe. But in my case, there's no animations because I already cooked it before. And okay, that's it. Now you have successfully made apple pie. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.